Hello everybody, this is Noah. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Jackie Chan Police Story 1 and 2 collection, brand new release from Criterion. So this released on April 30th, 2019. I'm currently filming the day that I got it mailed to me from Amazon. I got it for a pre-order price of $35. I don't know if that price is still consistent, but I think that Criterion's MSRP for this collection is actually $50. I saw it for pre-order for $35, so I added it to my pre-order cart because I felt that that was a reasonable price for both movies that you get here. If you've never seen these movies before, they're some awesome kung fu action movies. They got a little bit of comedy, and they are just really, really well choreographed. So if you are familiar with Jackie Chan, then you probably already know about this, but if you're not as familiar with him, this is a great way to introduce yourself to his types of martial arts films. So, what exactly do you get with this collection? Flipping over to the back, we're going to see all of the special features and stuff that's included in the collection. So, you get both Police Story movies with original Cantonese audio and English audio, along with English subtitles for the Cantonese. I personally prefer the Cantonese to the English dubbing. That's just me. I think that the English dubbing isn't the best dubbing that I've heard. It's rather dry and not really, let's just say the voice actors weren't really very inspired when they delivered their lines, so I think that the Cantonese audio I prefer over the English audio. But for the first time ever, these have been remastered from the original negatives, so they are looking a lot better than any other release that Police Story has seen to date. So definitely go for this if you're looking for the best audio quality for the movies, because they do not disappoint. They look incredible on these new 4K restorations. You also have alternate 5.1 surround tracks, so you can listen to the movies in 5.1 surround if you have a surround setup. And it also includes a whole bunch of interviews from people like Edgar Wright, Grady Hendrix, and Maggie Cheung. So, yeah, if you're into those kinds of special features like interviews, then you will not be disappointed with this release also. And then, yeah, I think that's about it for what actually is included on the digital special features, but let's actually open this and see what's included in the physical release. This is actually like a slip cover that's pretty much hollow, aside from having the collection inside of it. And then on one side here, we have Police Story 2 with the Criterion, I guess, little logo thing. And then on the other side, you have Police Story with the same type of Criterion labeled there. And then it's kind of interesting how they did this. I wonder. Oh, okay. So this opens a little funny. If you flip to the Police Story 1 side, it flips open like this. And then you have some more glass breaking art. And that's like, it looks like a repeat piece of art from what's on the cover. And then flipping that there. Looks like we got Police Story 1 and Police Story 2. Broken glass behind the two discs here. And then you can faintly see the Criterion C's on each of the discs there. So I'm going to flip this over one more time so you can see all the art that's on there. It's really cool because you can kind of display it however you want, and it will still look right on the shelf. So that was unexpected with this release, actually. And then let's see what we have here. Alright, so I think this is designed to look like a newspaper almost. Looks like just an essay, really. And then special thanks, acknowledgments, production credits, about the transfer of the movie. So all the general stuff you'd find with most Criterion releases, but presented as if it were on a newspaper. That's kind of neat. And then on the other side, I believe this is supposed to be the poster that he's in within the movies. So at one point he gets like a I think it's in the second movie, but I'm not entirely sure. He gets a role being a like a model for one of the police ads around the city, and so he has to look like a model on his bike here. And I think that this is like supposedly the ad poster that was produced as a result of that modeling job. So that's kind of cool, a cool collectible thing that they added there. And you could display it on either side and it would look really cool on the shelf. So let's actually see if this closes correctly without it in there. Yeah, so it doesn't seem to affect the way that this folds up, so that's nice. So you can keep this separate if you didn't want to have it as part of the art here, or as part of the box, I should say. For 35 bucks, you get 2 movies, you get a whole bunch of extras, and you get both movies looking the best they've ever looked before. If you're not familiar with how the original looked and how the new ones looked, if you just Google video of the original movie and just like watch a clip from it on YouTube, it's really low quality regardless of what you watch it on. So after watching the 4K transfer of this, it's insane how good it looks. It looks like something that was filmed yesterday with how they've restored it within this Criterion release. So major go if you're a fan of Jackie Chan's movies. If you're just a fan of these 2 movies, yeah, I would definitely recommend this to anybody who is interested remotely in these martial arts films. But that's about it for today. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like and comment if you have any questions. I try to answer all of them. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. And I will see you all in my next video.